Bulgaria is situated at the heart of the Balkan Peninsula. Many a European traveller has described Bulgaria as a piece of paradise. A sea, rivers, lakes, mountains, forests, plateaus and plains, warm and cool, mineral water springs, all within the bounds of a relatively small territory. The larger portion of the country has a moderately continental climate. Some of present-day European civilization emerged in what is today Bulgaria. History refers the first records of human activity in these lands to the Paleolithic age. Hanas Baruch formed the Bulgarian state, unifying Old Bulgarians with the descendants of ancient Thracians and locally settled Slav tribes. The Bulgarian Black Sea littoral is a preferred holiday destination for an increasing number of tourists from around Europe. It offers an ideal package of healthy climate, numerous days of sunshine in the summer season, various resorts coming up to the mark of renowned European counterparts to make a holiday unforgettable. Palaces and churches, ruins of ancient fortresses, past and present, merge on this land where life has prospered since time immemorial. Sitting on a picturesque and ecologically clean bay on the northern Black Sea coast, the Golden Sands Resort stands only 11 kilometers away from the port city of Varna. The resort offers a full range of summer recreation and entertainment: beach volleyball, jet riding, motorboating, parachuting. Situated in the Golden Sands Nature Park, the tourist complex offers a great choice of hotel accommodation, built to European standards and offering all holiday and business comforts, conferences and seminars included. The city of Varna is situated on the Bay of Varna, some 470 kilometers to the east of the capital, Sofia. Varna is Bulgaria's largest city on the Black Sea, dubbed the sea capital of the country. The Dolphinarium is a favorite attraction with visitors and children in Varna. The Cathedral Church of St. Virgin Mary is one of the city landmarks. Pobiti Kamani erosion-chiseled rocks of 15 million years ago is another landmark in the environs of the city. The Kamchia and Ropotamu rivers are among some of the most beautiful spots on the Bulgarian Black Sea. Rural and ecotourism are among the most alluring propositions for anyone keen on travel and adventure. In Bulgaria, you'll find hospitable homes that have perpetuated traditions at their most authentic. Many of them are made only of timber and stone. Each house is built so that it would get the fairest amount of sunshine and would be best protected from winds and gales. In the neighborhood of a water spring. Builders in Bulgaria used to be among the most respected members of the public, and the best among them, even today, are regarded as masters. Today, the majority of mountain villages, hamlets and small towns do attract great numbers of tourists, offering all modern amenities and comforts. These are usually situated in ecological areas or in immediate proximity to bioreserves, home to rare plant and animal species. If you've slept in an authentic village house, if you've had fresh, ecologically clean fruit and vegetables handpicked by yourself in a village market garden, If you've had an unforgettable day in the bosom of nature, trekking along the nearest available eco trail, you must have then experienced the fascination and loveliness of rural tourism.